Hello to my students. This video in particular is for my students at the 1G level. These are the books that have a green sticker. And the goal of being a 1G reader is to learn all of our 1G power words. Power words are similar to sight words. And I think that they call them power words because they give you the power to read so many books. Words like this are in many, many books. And so learning these words is incredibly important because it'll help you read many, many books all over the world, and newspapers and magazines and websites. The words we're going to learn with this book are I can, C-A-N, can, read, R-E-A-D. That is not one of the 1G power words, but it's a very important word to know. It's a high frequency word. And this is the word the. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. One of the most important little words. Now, a lot of times we see the I written like this. This is how we write it with our handwriting. I. In this book, it is written like this. And sometimes in books it is printed this way depending on the font. That's the way that it's typed out. So it seems like a simple book. And the title is I Can Read. This is our cover. The author is Roseanne Lanzac Williams, and it's illustrated. Remember, the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures or paints the pictures or creates them. And the illustrator is Bob Kaganich. I can read, and you can read, because as a 1G reader, you're actually looking at the words and you're really reading them. Here's our title page. I can read. We can read books all around us. I can read the cereal box. That's a really hard word, cereal. When the C is next to an E or an I, it makes a soft sound, which is S. But we can use the picture clue and look at the cereal box to help us read that word. I can read the stop sign. We can read a lot of signs, actually. I can read the recipe. I can read the letter. When you get when you get mail in your mailbox, your parents or you may read a letter. I can read the newspaper. I want you to go back and you can find the words I, can, and the. And make sure you're really reading those words. You can look at the picture for picture clues to help you out. Oh, I forgot this page. I can read the sign. I can read. And he's so happy. He feels so smart because the more you can read, the more you know. It gives you the power to read many, many books. So remember, our words for this book were, I'll hold this nice and close for you. I can read, R-E-A-D, read, and the word the, T-H-E, the. If any of those words are hard for you to read, like the word the, sometimes people forget it, then go back and read this book again and again until you're able to read those words yourself without even looking at the pictures. Good luck and have a great day, readers.